Welcome to 7 Words Academy. Right now we will discuss about how to check the content duplicacy on your website. So let's take an example here. We open the website cosmetic-therapy.com and this is the home page, and we will check whether this home page content has been copied by other websites or from other websites the content has been copied to this web page or not. Now there are two tools. One is called the Copyscape Plagiarism Checker tool. So you can check it for the web page that is already been uploaded on your website and live. So you just copy the URL and paste it in the Copyscape URL bar, and Copyscape will show you the results, the common results for different websites, different web pages. From that you can get the data. What's the percentage of the content have been copied? And another tool is called Small SEO Tools Plagiarism Checker, whether it's just used to check the uniqueness of your content before uploading or before just making the pages live. So you can just put the content in this content box and you can then check it. Normally we say the content must be more than 80% unique, so you can use it safely for as a SEO content for on-page SEO. Now if you can make it 100% unique, then it's very good for SEO, and if it is below 80%, then you should be careful and you should change the content so that the search engines, their crawlers don't filter it as a duplicate or copied content. Now let's check with Copyscape first. So we put the URL of the home page here and we click on the Copyscape search. Now we see these results. So we can see there are other web pages where the content is common. So we click on any web page. For example, we click on this page and we can see that 230 words that's matching, that is 12% of the page content is matching. So that means this web page, this What Clinic, this web page is, the content is common with the home page of Cosmetic Therapy. So we need to be careful. So we need to change the content of the Cosmetic Therapy home page so that it should be completely unique, otherwise the SEO benefit will go down. And this way you can check the other websites. If it is less than 10%, then still you can go with it, but if it's more than 10%, then you should be careful about changing the content. And the same way, if we can check with suppose we go with the About Surgeon page and say for example we take this content from here and let's see whether any other web page they have copied it or not. So we can check here. Say for example we check this. So let's take example of this. We put it here, and we put the captcha code. And we check. So let's check this. We keep it here and we put the captcha code and we click on check plagiarism. Now it's checking. We can see the percentage of uniqueness here. So you can see 22%, 33%, 44%. So it will show as, since it is checking with the live pages, so the page is already live here in Cosmetic Therapy, and if I check here, so it's showing as 0% unique, 100% content plagiarized. So if you click here, you can see from where it has been plagiarized. So you can see the Cosmetic Therapy website here. You can see the About Clinic. So these are the 4 web page where the content is content has been taken from. So this way you can check by these two tools whether a content has been copied or not. Thank you.